Did you know a single cook risked everything to save thousands of lives from food poisoning? Carlos worked as a sous chef at an upscale restaurant chain in downtown Chicago. He loved creating beautiful dishes until he noticed something horrifying. The head chef was deliberately using expired meat and spoiled vegetables to cut costs. Worse yet, health inspectors were being paid to look the other way. Carlos watched customers get sick, but complaints disappeared through quiet legal settlements. As an undocumented immigrant, speaking up meant risking deportation. But he couldn't stay silent while people suffered. He secretly photographed moldy ingredients and recorded conversations about bribes. Then he called the health department with evidence. Within days, he was fired and threatened with immigration reports. But 2 weeks later, health inspectors raided all 5 restaurant locations. They found exactly what Carlos documented. The chain was shut down permanently, preventing a massive outbreak. Carlos received protected witness status and legal residency assistance. Today, he's head chef at an ethical restaurant group that values integrity over profit.